Welcome to the channel. If you've used a Canon lens once, you'll want to have them all. Canon still stands out because of the high contrast lenses and excellent sharpness. This zoom lens is very pleasant to use, not very heavy, and there's a real macro function available. This macro function only works on 75mm, but that is not a problem. There is a separate focus ring for macro that focuses very quickly. Without this macro function, the shortest focusing distance is 1 meter 80 centimeters. With the macro function, it becomes about 30 centimeters. A lens with many possibilities to shoot very diverse subjects